Major landforms of the earth. Please look at the picture that is given in the textbook, figure 6.1. Here we can see different types of landforms: mountains, plateaus, lakes, rivers, then tributaries, plain areas, river valley areas, coastal areas, hilly places, etc. Okay, these are the different landforms. And some of the landform features are shown in the figure. And from that figure, you will notice that the surface of the earth is not the same everywhere. The earth has an infinite variety of landforms. Some part of the lithosphere may be erect and some flat. And all these landforms are a result of two processes that we already discussed: external process and internal process. Then the first type of landforms that we learned in the last class, that is mountains. Different types of mountains that we discussed: block mountains, fold mountains, and volcanic mountains. Then what are the important uses of mountains? Mountains, they are the storehouse of water. And the mountains have a rich variety of flora and fauna. Different types of plants and animals that we can see in these mountains. And mountains provide an idyllic site for a tourist. And they visit the mountains for their scenic beauty. Okay, these are the topics that we learned. Today we are going to discuss about the second important landforms, that is plateaus. Here we can see the picture, plateaus. A plateau is an elevated, flat land. It is a flat-topped tableland standing above the surrounding area. A plateau may have one or more sides with steep slopes. The height of plateaus often varies from few hundred meters to several thousand meters. And like the mountains, the plateaus that may be young one and also the old one. And the highest plateau in the world, that is the Tibet Plateau, and with a height of 4,000 to 6,000 meters above the mean sea level. And plateaus, they are also very useful because they are rich in mineral deposit. Okay, here we can see what are the important points that are related to the importance of plateaus. Plateaus, they are very useful because they are rich in mineral deposit. And as a result, many of the mining areas in the world are located in the plateau areas. And one such example, that is the Deccan Plateau in India, is the one of the oldest one, and it is a storehouse of different types of minerals. Then another example, that is African Plateau. African Plateau is famous for gold and diamond mining. And in India, huge reserves of iron, coal and manganese that are also found in Chota Nagpur area. Chota Nagpur area, that is mainly covered with Jharkhand. Okay. In India, these areas, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, all these are the main areas and they are the storehouse of different types of minerals such as iron, coal and manganese. Huge reserves of iron, coal and manganese are found in these plateaus. Okay, you got the first point. They are very useful because they are rich in mineral deposit. Minerals, they are the gift of nature. And different types of minerals that we discuss: gold, diamond, copper, coal, etc. In the plateau areas, there may be several waterfalls as the river falls from a great height. The Kunderu Falls in Chotanagapur Plateau on the river Subarnarekha and the Jog Falls in Karnataka are the examples of such waterfalls. Okay, they are the storehouse of water. And the lava plateaus that are rich in black soil. And the black soil, they are very fertile, and that soil that is good for cultivation. And many plateaus have scenic spots and are of great attraction to tourists. Okay, these are the main topics related to plateaus. Plateaus, what does it mean? Is a tableland. Plateau is an elevated flat land. It is a flat topped tableland standing above the surrounding area. And they may have one or more sides with steep slopes. And the height of plateaus that may vary from few hundred meters to several thousand meters. And which plateau is the highest plateau in the world? The Tibet Plateau. And the height of this Tibet Plateau that is 4,000 to 6,000 meters above the sea level. And what are the important uses of plateaus? They are the, which are the main points? What are the important uses of plateaus? They are the storehouse of mineral deposit. That is the first point. Storehouse of mineral deposits. Minerals such as deposits. That is the first point. Plateaus are the storehouse of mineral deposits. The minerals such as iron, coal and manganese that are found in these plateaus. And the second point, and they are the storehouse of water. Okay. And different waterfalls that are also originated from these plateaus. Okay, different examples that are given. Please read the textbook. Okay.